It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a hair review on this beautiful hair. I'll leave the company name right here against the right down below because I don't want to mess it up because I have so many hair reviews to do. So sometimes I just keep going and I just want to make sure that you guys know the right company. So I got a little pumpkin scratch in my hair, so I'm not going to talk much in this video, but look at this hairline, y'all. Look at this hairline. I did pluck it a little bit, but honestly I didn't even have to because it was so good when I first got this wig. It's really amazing. I did dye this wig a pretty jet black, so I plan on wearing it like a flip over method, just very effortless. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing today. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull the hair back, get it out the way, and glue this unit on. Now normally, excuse my nail, you guys, I have a nail appointment today at 12 o'clock, so I really want my hair to be cute because I have a couple of errands to do. So while I have my coffee, tastes so good. So I really want to take my time on my hair today, and this chair is super squeaky but that's okay because we're gonna put some balm music over this video. But I'm just gonna push it back. I'm gonna be using my 𝐖𝐢𝐭𝐡 glue. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs off, girl. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me today because I feel like I can concentrate more when you guys just watch and see what I'm doing, because when I talk it slows me down.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you.
Yeah, you guys, so I'm doing my unit, put my unit on a little different than I normally do. I don't normally do it this way, but I wanted to do it a different way. I saw this dude named Style by Jordan. I really studied his videos, and this the way he do it. So I'm like, you know what, I need to switch the way I do it as well, just to see if it works for me. So now I'm gonna just take my eyebrow archer. You guys know the routine, and I'm kind of gonna go up and down against the hairline. I'm never, like, I always love to learn different techniques when it comes to lace units. I know a lot of people have been wearing like leave outs and stuff like that, and it'd be cute, but they have to, like, it just don't give me what the lace wigs be giving me. I know, like, all the girls have been wearing like the tape ends and stuff, and they be so cute, but I just feel like it just don't give me what the lace, it gives me. I don't know, is it only me that feels like that? I don't know. I just feel like I still am in love with lace wigs, but I think I love how I could just switch my wigs after a couple of days if I don't like the way that looks with the outfit. Yeah, that's what I like the most about it. Now the lace part can be a little tedious wearing lace wigs all the time, but I guess when you do your own hair, it really don't bother you, because after 3 days, it's like, okay, I want a different hairstyle anyways. So I just love being able to just switch my wigs out. It's just so fun to me. So I'm just going and I'm cutting any excess lace, because I hate a lacy install. I do not like a whole bunch of lace on my units. I just don't. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up the hairline and tie it back down. And how I clean it up is I'm just gonna take a little bit of the glue, the 𝐻𝐿𝐴 glue. I love this glue. One of my favorite glue. Ever since I've been using this glue, it's hard for me to go back and use any other type of glue. It just don't work the same. It don't dry clear, it don't dry fast. One thing about 𝐻𝐿𝐴 glue, this is not sponsored. It needs to be. I need to contact her and be like, can you put me on your brand ambassador program? But I genuinely love her products. A lot of people do. 𝐻𝐿𝐴, he love her product. What's the other boy name who just got his stomach done? I forget, but he love her products too. It's like all of the popular Cliff, I think his name Cliff, all of the popular like hair gurus on Instagram, they swear by this product. It's a really great product, y'all. If you're using anything else on with your lace wigs, if you want your life to be a lot more easier, I would say use her products for sure. It's amazing. And it don't pull my edges out. I have all of my edges. I have all of them. So I love it. Go black girl, go. You guys, all I'm doing is taking some water and I'm spraying the hair down so the curls can pop out, okay? But I'm definitely gonna have to add product to the hair, because I don't want it super poofy. I want the curls to really stay beautiful all day. Get it really wet. That's very important if you're going for, you know, if you really want to see what the curls are doing. Okay, so now that it's pretty wet, let me do the back. This hair is really cute. So when I wear curly hair, I like to do hair like this. I can handle this type of curls. When it comes to like really big hair and a whole bunch of curls, I just don't keep it in. I used to love curly hair, but it's like, I don't like it too curly nowadays. Just don't be going with my looks, honey. But this type of curls, I can deal with it. Okay, you guys, so what I'm doing now, before I put the curl cream in, I want to get the baby edges how I want it, because when you put the curl cream in, you don't want to manipulate the curls. So right now I'm using this Bum Collection, another black owned business. It's called Sweet Caramel, and it's called Toning Foam. So it looks like this, and I've been using it and I really like it. So what it does is it's like a mousse, but a color, like a brown color mousse. So it helps the lace really melts into the skin. I think it's really good. This is like my 4th time using it, and I just feel like it helps melt the lace, and it is real mousse, so it's really gonna mold the hair. I love it. Look, this looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So what I do is I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. I'm gonna take a blow. Oh, this chair is so squeaky. I'm gonna go ahead and take the blow dryer and let it dry a little bit, and then we're gonna do our baby edges. guys, so here is the finish. Sorry. So here is the finished result of the wig. The hair is pretty much dry. It's like 80%, 85% dry, maybe like a 90% dry. So the hair is looking really pretty. I decided to style it like this. This is loose deep hair. So you guys make sure you check them out. I'll leave the link to this unit down below. It is so pretty. I'll be wearing this unit all week for all of my events. So you guys are gonna see this on Instagram, but I love this unit. It reminds me of this unit I had in Tulum, and I just love it. I think this is a 26-inch, so it is just a really beautiful, it's a beautiful hair texture. So check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.